Today I want to talk about one very nice Drupal module called insert. Now, insert module will let you insert, as the name suggests, it will let you insert images in your body. But the good thing is that when you're inserting the images, it will let you choose the image style. So let us say you have configured three different image styles in your Drupal site. One is called thumbnail with a size of 50 by 50 pixels. The other one could be slideshow, something like 500 by 200 pixels, or maybe a third one which is probably quite big. Now, when you upload an image using the image field, when you are editing a node, for each and every image, in case you have multiple images for one field configured using unlimited option, insert module will give you a drop down. Now when you select the image style and when you insert that image in your code will get a proper image tag with the right image style or the path to the right image style along with the alternate text and the UUID of that particular image. So this is one of my favorite module because it really makes life a lot easier when managing images on a Drupal site. So this is all I wanted to share and talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.